second one.
Question is whether
Cancel, you are just confusing us. Okay, that's all right. It's
Yes, my lord.
Wait. Where is the witness statement? It refers to another one on one date. No, it's not inconvenient. I see why you had to introduce the two as well. I've seen it. This is page what? What page is it? Upper. The first one. This one. The first one. Pages 2, 3, 4, and 2. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6, 2. This one and it's what? 2, 7, 2, 7. So this is that. 2, 7, 3, 8. 3, 40, 41. That is 2, 7, 6, 2. 2, 7, 6, 2. In fact, don't tell you people do, because now the exhibits are part of it. So, what that you take it to rest, so they should do the, I said they should do the numbering today. How would they just, they must do the numbering today. All right. Yes, I've seen it. Do you adopt? Prof,
Yes, sir.
are you not hearing your lawyer?
I didn't hear the last statement, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, sir, it's breaking.
Witness the position of 28th June, 28th February 2024.
Adopted, sir.
Is it 28th or 28th February? 28th as your evidence.
Yes, yes, sir.
Why? The exhibits are already deposited. So why do you want to take him through them? You want to cross-examine him? It's once he has adopted them. That's what we said is the essence of attaching them to his witness statement, isn't it? They are the exhibits are on oath, attached on oath.
My Lord, I want to say thank you to my Lord and to my learned friend here assisting even when I didn't ask him to.
Proceed, please.
So my Lord, that is all for the witness, the parent. So my Lord, friends,
I doubt if the way the network is going, whether we'll be able to do cross-examination today.
Let's go, please.
I can hear you, my Lord.
Can
I can hear you clearly.
you.
Yes.
I can hear you clearly, sir.
The problem is if we continue like this in cross-examination, I don't know. Well, Adegboyega.
Hello, sir.
Adegboyega.
Yes, sir.
Abi?
Yes, sir.
All right. It's your turn. So the other counsel will ask you questions, then you answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
My
I
Lord.
think the way you place your handset, something is interfering. Check
No, I'm okay,
on
sir.
your onset, you will see something is interfering in, see a pillar or something. Did you see? Okay,
yes,
let's proceed.
My Lord, we are grateful. Prof.
Yes, sir.
You attached Exhibit 1 to your statement on oath.
Yes, sir.
I will be correct to say that is the letter regularizing your appointment with the defendant.
Yes, sir. Yes, my Lord.
Wait first. I said you should mark them in front as well. You didn't. So I should, all the documents, I should be looking at their back. Hi, Abba, how do I preach it? I said I know the registry will mark them at the back, but you use your red biro, mark them in front, exhibit so on in front that as I am flipping through, I can always just immediately see what exhibit. You didn't mark it. So, and we don't, some of the exhibits may be more than one document. How do I flip till I get to the back?
I'm sorry.
Yes, exhibit 1 is what?
My Lord, that is the letter dated 14th September 2015, sir.
Yes, he said is what? Prof, you said exhibit 1 is what?
Is letter of regularization, sir. My Lord.
You have a copy of the process with you, right?
Yes, I do, sir. I do have the deposition exhibits.
Good. Yes.
Yes, you take the benefit, the advantage of that letter as an employee of the defendant.
Yes, my Lord.
I don't understand. What do you mean by take benefits of that letter? He was appointed, it was like regularized.
This letter contains some terms.
You have to go to which portion he took benefit. If not, he accepted the appointment, didn't he? That is why he will be taken to him. If there is a clause there that you want to refer to, they will direct his attention to that clause and ask him.
Ask up, please, sir. My Lord, we are grateful, sir. Much obliged, sir. Prof.
Yes, sir.
Look at the concluding paragraph that your exhibit 1.
Last paragraph.
The last paragraph.
I am on the page of, I'm reading amended witness deposition. That's what I have. Amended witness deposition on oath.
Last paragraph of exhibit 1. Last paragraph of your letter of regularization.
Okay, that is H. H. That determination.
Your letter, your exhibit 1 do not consist letter H, please.
Your exhibit 1, regularization of appointment as reader. Does it have H?
No, I do not have the letter with me presently, but I have all the exhibits here.
That letter is exhibit 1. And you confirm that it is your letter of regularization, which is correct.
Oh, yes, my Lord, it is my letter of regularization.
And now you don't have it there.
No, what I do not have a copy of the letter is what I'm referring to, but I have the depositions here.
Why don't you have? We said you should have them because he's going to cross-examine you.
Okay, I can get them here on my system, sir. No problem, sir.
On your system.
Yes.
Well, that means you want a date so that you print them out. Everything. You liaise with your counsel, he will tell you which one is exhibit 1 to what. You understand? So that we have a smooth proceedings. We can't do. I thought we discussed this in council. I think you have a full copy.
I thought
No, but the way he started, it was like, yes. I asked him, do you have a copy? He said yes. Then they asked him, exhibit 1 is this? He said yes. Now they're referring him to the last paragraph. He doesn't have it. So we take adjournment for cross-examination so that he will have them physically. It's not for him to sort his computer now and counsel. Yes, how important is that to you? Can we forgo it or you want him to? Yeah. So, Ademola.
I have it now, sir. I am holding the letter here now.
Okay. All right. Read the last paragraph.
Okay. The last paragraph reads as follows. Should you be convicted of a criminal offense involving moral turpitude or by reasons of gross misconduct, which renders it impossible for the university to continue to employ you, then the period of notice necessary to terminate your appointment shall be at the discretion of the university.
Okay. Yes, what's the question?
Yes, sir. Prof.
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Your
I'm with
exhibit
you, sir.
4.
Cancel. You introduce exhibit 1, ask him to, you are asking him, he took advantage of it. We said, no, go to the particular paragraph. You went to a particular paragraph, he read it, and then you want to move to exhibit 4.
Sorry, my lord. The 2 are
Ask your question. You
Yes,
don't ask a question.
Are you hearing me?
You, sir.
Yeah. The next question is the allegation of plagiarism. No, I'm asking the question. The allegation of plagiarism levied against you borders on academic misconduct.
Yes, Prof, answer us, please. Let's be quick.
Oh, yes, yes, it does. But the as it is, nothing was given to me as an evidence of plagiarism.
He didn't ask you that.
Okay, I'm sorry, my lord.
Yes, let's go on.
Yes, the next question to you. By your exhibit 4, I hope you have a copy too.
Confirmation of appointment?
No, your exhibit 4.
The exhibit 4 I have here.
You don't
Talks
have
about
it.
confirmation of it. I mean, the one I have here in the deposition talks about appointment letter. I mean, confirmation of appointment as a reader.
What is exhibit 4?
In your
Cancel, what is exhibit 4?
my lord, exhibit 4 is the state of foyer matters
Okay.
arising. The state of foyer
Yes, sir.
matters arising.
Okay, I have it. Okay.
Okay. You see how I'm opening page by page now to look at the back to see when to get time. Maybe I would have asked you to even mark them. I mean, flag them. Up to now, I don't know where does this exhibit end. You understand? Don't go at check. Okay. Yeah. State of foyer. Yes. Yes.
Yes, your
Yes, my lord,
exit.
I have a copy.
You have a copy.
Okay, I have a copy, yes.
Yeah.
What is it titled?
It is titled State of Foye.
Matters arising.
Is that correct? State of Foye matters arising.
Okay, yes.
Yes, that document you are.
Matters arising, yes. Yes, it is here. State of Federal University, Oye, matters arising. Preamble, is it?
Yeah. That document you are holding.
Yes.
The names of the committee that worked on it are not contained in that document.
I can't understand your question correctly, sir.
My question is, if you look through the
Counsel. Supposing he said their names are there.
My lord, I will ask him to point to it.
You see the problem? What is there is there. What is not there is not there. The document is before us. So any information that is not there is not there. We need his confirmation to say that a particular information is not there.
Okay, my lord, we agree with sir. Look again at that document in your hand.
Yes.
It is not signed by anybody.
You mean towards the end?
At the end,
This is
or wherever,
okay.
Is it signed by anybody?
I am going through it now to get to the end to see whether it is signed or not. Okay, sir.
Yes, answer the question.
This particular one I have is not signed, but the one submitted to the Honorable Minister of Education was duly signed.
I'm talking about the one you have at your hand.
Answer. Which one?
What I have,
it is the
what
one
I have
presented
is
to
an
us we are
electronic
talking
copy.
about.
As copies.
Don't worry yourself.
I have an electronic copy.
Do you know
with
what
me.
is brought in evidence that we will talk about?
As copies. My lord, we agree with sir.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. What I have here is the electronic copy of State of Foye.
Next question.
My lord, sir. Yes, you also attached yes. Prof.
Yes, sir.
You are alleged to have collected 1,685,000 naira for the purpose of research.
For the purpose of research, central research. Yes.
Yes.
I did.
$685,000 naira.
From TED Fund for Research.
Yes.
You said you collected it.
I did, and I carried out the research entitled.
Yes. Next question.
Yes. That's money collected for research. That research has a time frame within which to submit your report.
And I did submit the report.
That is not the question.
Okay, I'm sorry, my lord.
The research has a time frame.
Yes.
Then if he asks you whether you submitted, then you will ask, then you will answer.
Okay.
But if he
I'm sorry,
didn't
my
ask
lord.
you, it's his problem.
Okay, sir.
Tell my lord the time frame within which you have to carry out that your research work.
What was the
Are you
time
asking-
frame?
Oh, the time frame was 3 years.
Yes.
Tell my lord when you collected money.
The TED Fund research, I mean, the research for the TED Fund project was released in 2016.
When? In 2016, if you can remember?
Well, it should be around October 2016.
Okay, next question.
When did you submit your research work?
My research was submitted in the first quarter of 2018.
Yes.
Sorry, my lord.
Answer.
Yes,
Well,
you do not exhibit the research work you submitted.
What is your question, my lord?
You do not exhibit the documents you submitted as your research work.
It was exhibited. You can ask my counsel.
Prof,
Yes, sir.
like you rightly said, you are counsel. Nobody can cross-examine your counsel, so he cannot ask him. It's only you he can ask.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
So don't ever refer him to asking to your counsel to ask him. He cannot
I'm
ask your
sorry.
counsel.
I'm sorry, my lord, but it
Yes.
was submitted and it was exhibited.
Thank you. Yes.
If you are not sure, can you tell my lord the topic of your research work?
Yes, the title of my research is Reinventing Oral Narrative for Moral Regeneration in Contemporary Nigeria.
Reinventing what?
Reinventing oral narrative, oral narrative. Reinventing oral narrative for moral regeneration. For moral regeneration.
Okay.
In contemporary Nigeria.
Yes.
That document you mentioned to my lord now, do not follow the normal procedure for submission of reports to the defendant.
I did, sir. I did follow the normal procedure.
Yes.
Then tell my lord the procedure you follow.
Okay. After the research was conducted.
Why is it that you people did not arrange for us to have this thing cast on screen? And there is Penny and this guy. What about the one we use? And my laptop is no longer well. If you people ask me, can it be done? Can it be done now? Okay, no. Try, let's see. Yes. Quick.
Yes, my lord.
Quick now, quick.
Go ahead
Yes,
and
my lord.
you
Okay.
follow.
Yeah. A research was conducted
The
using
procedure for submission, not how it was conducted.
Okay, procedure for submission. 3 bound copies. 3 bound copies of the research were submitted to the Third Fund Office at the Federal University of Ekiti.
3 bound copies.
Yes, sir.
Of the research what?
Of the research conducted were submitted at the Third Fund Office of the university.
All right.
Yes, you do not have evidence of receipt of same as evidence in your before the court.
I was made. Okay. I do have, because I was made to sign, to put my signature in a book, and I did.
But my question is simple, Prof.
Yes.
That you don't have a copy of the evidence that you submitted to the Third Fund Office at Akure before the court.
If I understand you correctly, sir, are you asking if I have a copy of the submitted report?
No. The fact that you submitted
Yes.
to the Third Fund Department
Office.
the defendant, you will have been given an acknowledgement document that you have so do.
Nobody was given any acknowledgement except that I was made to sign that I have submitted. I wrote it there and I signed in a book.
Prof.
I was not given any acknowledgement receipt of the report. I was only made to sign a book, and I did.
Let's proceed.
Yes, sir. Hello, I'm grateful. Yes, Prof.
Yes, sir.
You are also alleged of plagiarism.
Yes, I'm aware.
And you made your responses when the allegation was levied against you.
Yes,
Did you respond?
I only, yes, sir, yes, my lord. I only responded to a query.
A query.
Yes, a query that was issued on 16 October 2018. A query was issued asking me to appear before a panel.
Yes.
On the issue of
In
plagiarism.
your response,
yes,
to that
to the query, yes,
you defined what plagiarism is.
possibly.
In your response to the query,
yes, I did. Yes, I can recall. I did. Yes.
You defined what plagiarism is.
Yes. Plagiarism is what it is. What it is.
Yes.
You do not put in your definition self-plagiarism.
I only responded to a query sent to me on plagiarism. That plagiarism is when you copy other people's work without acknowledgement.
I'm not saying, I'm telling you that your definition is not all-encompassing.
So we should be debating about definition of plagiarism with the witness now.
We agree with sir. We agree with sir. The allegation put to him is self-plagiarism. And
nobody mentioned self-plagiarism, sir.
All right, all right.
They only mentioned plagiarism. Nobody mentioned plagiarism. You are the one mentioning self-plagiarism now.
That's why I'm asking you. You do not put into consideration in your definition.
He said nobody talked about self-plagiarism.
Nobody mentioned to me. Nobody showed me anything plagiarism. I was only accused. No single document was shown to me where I plagiarized anybody's work.
In any case, counsel, what do you mean by self-plagiarism?
That is when, in an academic,
yes,
an author,
yes,
is even referring to himself, must necessarily acknowledge that this is his work at such a period of time.
okay.
If he doesn't do so, that amounts to self-plagiarism.
Okay. 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 It's like he made a research earlier. It is his work. So for him to refer to that work or for him to reproduce any content of that work, he must say, I am copying from myself.
Not necessarily copying from myself.
Okay.
Like he has rightly said in his evidence.
It's his work now.
Yes, sir.
So for him to copy from it, he must say, I'm copying from me. That's what self-plagiarism is.
It has to do with reference. Academic work.
No, now, of course. If I'm copying your work, I have to say I'm copying Mr. A's work. Yes. That is research. If I copy Mr. A's work and I don't acknowledge it, that's plagiarism. The little I know about plagiarism so far. But this one that you are explaining, I want to understand. I have made the work myself, and now I am copying a portion of that my work. I must also acknowledge me, else I am guilty of plagiarism. That's what you mean by self-plagiarism? Is that the definition? Because I want to understand you myself.
Yes, that's the definition so far so good, sir.
All right, all right. Yes, let's go on.
Yes. Your exhibit 18.
What now? Yes.
Your exhibit 18 is a document from Dr. M. Orunmuyi.
Yes, my lord.
How many documents are there? Yeah, it was.
Hello, it is dated 29th day of
It's okay,
October.
I've seen it. I've seen it. You have actually tried. You have actually put them, mark them in front. Yes. Yes.
Yes, that is the personal opinion of Dr.
My own
Orunmuyi.
18 is the report of staff disciplinary committee
Yes,
on plagiarism.
yes, sir.
Is that
Yes, sir.
actually dated? Then what's your question?
My question is that document, Exhibit 18, is the personal opinion of Dr. Orunmuyi.
That is for you to interpret. Please, we lawyers, is already before us. We don't need his opinion.
It's
already before us. If the document amounts to somebody's opinion, it's just for you to say so. Let the other counsel say no. Then I will look at it and say it is or it is not. That's all. Thank you.
Doctor, I'm sorry, Prof.
Yes, sir.
Tell my lord, since when did you relocate to South Africa?
I relocated in February 2019.
Yes.
Since 2019.
Yes, sir.
Now, you are yet to step down to Nigeria.
I have not come to Nigeria since 2019. I have not.
He has never come to Nigeria since 2019. Am I correct to say that?
Yes, you are correct.
Okay. Yes.
That will be all for the witness.
Technician, we have finished. You have not. Any question in the examination?
No, there is no question for re-examination. I just wanted to point to the fact that my learned friend is asking questions about third form. Probably overlooked paragraph 36 of our written position, which is accompanied Exhibit 15 of the report. If we had paid sufficient attention to those questions,
draw his attention to it in your written address. Thank you. Yes, no,
no re-examination.
No examination, and
I'm sincerely very good from my that is the case for the cinema.
thank you. Yes.
Only ask for a date, sir. maybe was called our only witness as well, sir.
You asked for a date for defense.
Yes, sir.
Physical.
Yes, sir.
All right. Prof.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
6th of June.
You are discharged. You are finished.
Oh, thank you, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Madam, it's very, very convenient.
6th June.
Yes, sir. We are grateful, sir. Much obliged.
Case adjourned to 6th June 2024 for defense.
As we are grateful, sir.
What's next? All right, that is the end of the Zoom meeting for today, and we shall all leave.
As we are grateful, sir. Much obliged. So,